Chinsani sato chiabono morgobo mwanchu murigeria asinero bire bwikiranu kwene kebnango koletera ndamangana maya munabere kagwateka korwa chinsemo chinga kitoroche serikali gendete kubika emirobera soko ene kyanga kolikere abana jeshi anene korwa asorgongo rwagusi aserombe yabasaye nene yabereke gwesokya ilinde kwenyorera amabaga naboigase county ya Nyamira nigo babwatani kurwa sensemeyo baburire abananchi kweneke bnanko bwatabale chikura soko momenta umubaro bwabaki chikura mwanchu muri ase amangana arengete chinse chesco nigo muraiwense ya US Donald Trump abereka bakoletara ya bene gwika sensemeria Asia nabigo kobeta essay yokorenta omurembe kubwatkana n'ekisegi cyabere chikwene kigwa ase chinsemo mwanchu murigeria ayunga tiari nkwariganete asomo goroborero toskato nyegera kwirana ndasege keke kerebo sio ilinde ngumanya mange asenchira yo wikireno iriane kerubo Frida yakigima omwanchu murigereria ko yachaka amaya yebirebiga ni toko yachaka korwa ase county ya Nyamira asengo kumenya buna amate ya Nyamira omenta w'imyaka 52 yorarite kansa yemioyo korwa se kinyorokia Nyabomite kegotoka imeya wodi ya Nyamaye bunge ya West Mugrango nigo yasabira abasamaria ko bakonya asoko mubwenya Nyamira omenta uyobeira segesero asoko borwa chibesa yamate yere no botako banene nigeganite chisiringi chiribu emyemo 50 iliyo kumuira nyagitari asomurero yo abekeretwe pipe yo trimbokia endagera asikolende kaba yekorwa nabona iganigo akoragera na endobaga ko yesoki yonsi Morigito Steven Nyarike Mbunde nabakagwikira na chinsemecho naboigo gotwariganiria ayakobwatia
Nasensemo ya Nyabomite wodine ya Nyamaye bunge ya West Mugrango nigo tukumirana na Nyamira omenta y'emyaka 52 oyu goikabono asetaro yensoko tokomonyora nigara ireborere omenta tabwati nguru chinde chonsi nigo habekiretwe pipe eyare gwetie ndagera kero warwarete uburwere bwa kansa y'emyoyo asekorende pipe yatigerete gento gekogera oroka endagera kera irwe
ngobono chigondo yo mwabo umugako yo kunyamira oiro murwira asinke amatuka atari make usemyaka itari meke mramurigeretie chinyomba emunere igarose tirika nyora atararwara bono umongino yo dere ureko genda na akabarua okora aiga goko enda akabarua gwaka nusiringi 200 rituko okora akabarua akwekera akorire bacha kuria omwana nabwato omwana wigacha takagenda mochengo na Nairobi tana kororekana nanyene abantu bekinyura ambana komora muna barayiga igana bagata kwiri mbana komora fuga koyiga bete ga kurware emyoyo atari konyara kolinda agira buya ekarago chikoria igago sesi gwapako sokya amatanga mauro korumuru nanyembo ragase kobekirwe bintu muri muna murayiga iga murigererie amaene na bura asunki ke bano kegendererete umongino yokori gasie enkong paka raki orosiri
ngoro kwali simura mugaka akoro kunyamira omenta aiga no bwo omenta bana Nyabomite esasayati no mwachire gaiga katinje gonkorera na nkonywe ekero mugaka na endo ire na arosiro burwiro obubuna bwa muriete ubwa kansa aigo moye gento keri nande kyanyagera akasasi goge kanyagera ona uchukorie ndagira yaitere chimiyoro na ringire igo na arosire na mamoro ngo soki na ira ni bono na boncha ndegete igo gakya baminto ndagira nkomwa na ona koroka no mbegeta masakaraje netureye merabu no mbegete bijanja benko no kokororire kyara ligo echabuna lisomba ngokugete yani ligoja bonko mwanko mubekera monu odi nando ngira nerigoja Ikiara tiri ko gende ngore geti chete mo buna bana bondo retese wando riresa ga kya ba minto bakayage jenga ga kina kingokora
kurengana ne amate yabo eyue kweranga nigo boniri kiregento babwate eryo kumweranya gitari ase korende bare meirwe wetani achibesa chiribuye myeyemo nigo bakwerera obokungu banyariko bagwetera ase okumurwari Nyamira Omenta
aro andi linde busibwe ono yo noyo minto na barwari tamaene twabeire toko nyagusira iga bono bito ina twafinyibwe
na chiete ko songo hospital akabate mite tiaroro agate ngine chando igabwate kansa yemioyo akabekerwe epipe ari gotumeka na ara abete muno yogopo ake engaki yabekireti bono naende yachire keiranire ekero community batema na bakamoirani aroro gekabairwe ritoret bone ritoret byasinyire gakitibashikane iri ekire site ya 1150
nigo bono kobomo basabire abarai n'abasamari bo wancha osire familia yaiga iri kwerekenga oyo mwabongo irwari Nyagitari iri kwenyorwa obwenya asobo ime
igo twaraja kubolinga onyo okonyarikana mware konyara mutorariria sindi niyo abantu balia bachumbe batokonye
bayesi ni enamba yesi mi ere 0 7 10 57 71 44 kalisi Nyamira
Stephen Nyarikembonde Nyabomite county ya Nyamira
Merobilio yo kubalika abasae ase kiombe kya banajeshi bense ya Kenya nigo yakolekana ase getige chigosori kya Gusii abasae balingolwa senchira ya bene ile koyeneke bunamba ikeranitie amaganio a KDF kagukwana n'Ensoko TV nigo Lieutenant Colonel John Wainaina oyolenge omutereneri w'omurubilio yo ase sub county ya Kisii Central nigate babuna abasae abange nigo besogetie omwako oyiga ile kulikwa koba abanajeshi bense ya Kenya ekie aneneke koroke bunanigo bayanchite ense yabo nakugania kotinya obulendi nonya nabo nigaerera ekikeirira abange gotenyorera amabagayo asebo igo aneke bunanigo kira oyomo arachikoba baga kwenyorera ujumbe wetera omtandao mulikito weekly forenge na mange
Wuna enchire yamo yo kweneke buno bulendi bwense ya Kenya nkogandira bali gojingigwa na kweneke buna chimbebe chense ya Kenya nkolendo chira senchire ya bene kurwa saba begwa bali bakurwa chinse chisiko buna Al-Shabaab bono nige kiombe kya banajeshi bense ya Kenya kya balingolire abasaye bali beligetie eri bachikulikwa ko banajeshi ase bitengo bya Kenya Army amona Kenya Air Force ako kwana n'Ensoko TV asegeti kya Gusii Stadium abo asara emerobelio yoko balikia abasaye abo koba abanajeshi nigo Lieutenant Colonel John Wainaina atababuna omwako yogani gabasaya abanga besogetie eri bachikuelikia koba abanajeshi ikiana nake kioro kibuna mbaye yanchidense ya Kenya.
Na mimi ndio naongoza timu ambayo inafanya usajili katika Kisii Central. Hili zoezi la usajili lilianza tangia tarehe 13 mwezi wa 10 mwaka huu. Kwa sasa hivi tuko hapa Kisii Central ambapo tumefika wakati mzuri. Zoezi zimeanza tangu saa 2 na tunaendelea, na kama mnavyoona kuna shughuli mbalimbali zinavyoendelea. Kama unavyoona watu wako kwa kiwanja tukiendelea na shughuli mbalimbali. Zoezi nzima especially mahali nimetembelea na wengine wenzangu ambao wamekuwa mahali tofauti, vijana wametupokelea na wametokelezea kwa wengi. Ina maana kwamba vijana wanajitolea kuja kujiunga na kikosi cha jeshi kuimarisha usalama wa nchi yetu.
Nigo boigate babuna omwako yoga kolengana no gosika gwense gochia asekerero gose digital nabo igo kweneke buna obukurumingo kya nabule ananekigima asemerubule ko balikia banajeshi nige kiombe kya KDF kya negativu na gyatumekire chinchera cyekerero cyo ko balikia banajeshi nigo Kenya obone bamarube kurwa asegetenge kyo
kujaribu kuzuia ufisadi na watapeli. Tumeweza kutumia teknolojia ambapo kwa hivi sasa hakuna mtu anapewa nakara yoyote kuambiwa kwamba ameajiriwa. Anapata ujumbe kwa rununu yake, anapata ujumbe kwa email yake kwamba amesajiliwa na anahakikisha. Kwa hivyo kwa wale ambao wanaeneza kwamba kuna mabarua zinapeanwa, barua iko kwa mwenyewe kwa rununu yake na pia kwa email account yake.
Gukwanira okulikwa kwa basubati asegetengekyo abo asabatubati batalikwa asensemo yebunga Nyaribale chache nigo Lieutenant Wainaina aerera buna nigo okugania kwa KDF gutaganitia basubati kurwa nsemo Nyaribale chache asengenche merobero ya KDF olende chinsemo chinda basubati nigo baligetuba keigo.
Defense Forces huwa ni kikosi ambacho kinakuwa na jinsia zote mbili, wanawake na wanaume. Yote yanaletana na matakwa ambayo KDF iko nayo. Kwa siku ya leo hapa Kisii Stadium hatujakuwa na jinsia ya kike, wameripota asubuhi, lakini kwa nafasi ambazo zilikuwa zimetengwa Kisii Central hakuwa na nafasi ya mwanamke, ni kwa sababu ya matakwa yale ambapo yapo katika Kenya Defense Forces.
Kwani deme chando mekemeke eyaro kaneta chinsemo ao abo asaba kalete merobero yoko balika nigo abeka bene buna basaya banga obesa ogecho liko kwa bana jeshi nigo bagotumeka malyogo yoko tindia na bago choro chitatu ekyana nake kyabatu guteretare na bande nigo babwate emechando ya malieta bono obaseme bwarwe bucha sabasaye wetanga kurwa asobotumeki bwa malyogo yoko tindia na bago choro chitatu na liama bagabuna yoko liko kerago cha ataliko baetera.
Na changamoto zaidi ambazo tumekubana nacho karibu katika kila center, utumiaji wa mihadarati kwa vijana wetu umeenda juu sana. Jambo la pili ambalo limeharibia wa vijana wengi ni maneno ya kuwa na tattoo. Ningependa kufahamisha vijana wetu waweze kujiepusha na yale matendo, diposa wakati mwingine wanaweza faulu.
Burugaiga asegeti ya Kisii Stadium nguripotera Saba TV retirane YouTube Marenge.
Omuinjinia Adams Mochenwa ngati yabarai bahikirana asama miranio ya matera yechikanisa emyemo na ibere chia PAG imenyamira ase ekanisa ya Kibirigo PAG bunenjere ya moyo gusira ebyegwa byoboteli nabo igogo segeta obomo bumunyamira wetera amatera kaukwana ekerekyo nigo engineer Adams yolineganga yokobolikirgo kyoba senator ime county ya Nyamira aso mwaka wechiribu bere 2025 asabire abasaye kubwata ekura andonsi asebare ime ya Kenya ilio komenta umubaro bwaba kichikura ime county ya Nyamira oigo ikabo noiga ogendete kwelikia umubaro moke kolengana na IBC. Bishop Enoch Nyanga oyole umutenenelio PAG ime county ya Nyamira nigekerekyo ayenekirebuna obomo bwechikanisa norumuchakano gukolenta abagusiyamo. Mulikito Steven Nyarikie Mbunde na atalira chinsemecho na bayo gotwariganiria ayakobwatia.
Nase amameranio ya matera ye Kristo ayu arentete chikanisa emyemo na ibere chia PH ase county ya Nyamira ayu akorekarete ase kanisa ya Kibirigo PH asumuyega wikiranetwe noyo kuriyo bo senator Nyamira engineer Adams Mochenwa. Aiga musikemo Mochenwa agasaba barayi ba Nyamira gochichamo na gusira chikwaya choboteri asikiria kweranga nerenjere yemo yokoreta omo bw'abanyamira
nenjerero naikaga asomujo Kibirigo gotegerera na kuigwa matera itu yaba PAG be county egente getangani igonko tebia ba minto bande banyare go pick example eke ekiagera matera egakoreta abantu amo nintu nabarai ankyo ekerechira undi chinde chirabe tigatwa chamo tosire abateri abagotera asengencho wetera matera aya alitokora lyo bomo nenda bomo Nyamira nenda bomo Gusii anene mono twanyara ko rusi chimbu chingia chiri chigo to translate go chasobora ewa ekinda nyare gote yaba Kristo aba PAG tigatomenya no bomo ende tugwaterane egere na litora chora barai na gochora barai bekene abarai baranyare koleta magenderero nende baranyare kuira Nyamira itomoto
korengana na Bishop Enoch Nyanga oyoro motsenli wechikanisa cha PH Nyamira amonegati ya watani bande nigo bayerenga arene ngwana ya Mochenwa nigo boigo hamamirani ayaiga akobeka abasaye wetanga kurwe bikore byobosaria ekero kiruse yentambe
ngeje abana bakire yamo bose bagire kurwa school ibatware gosaba buna abege nwa baito abakristo n'abantu bonsi bari stakeholders ase okolenda abana baito babebuya asa matuka ya bari kamake mpaka naende bairanire all day yeye nentambe
ase bise abana baito bakireka akitiga bayibolito bange n'abana baito mbaenda amayiri tukaranse n'abana gekogera bali babere n'ekinga kikinyinga abana
asa amatera no komotogia twamubakira omonene iga ngoteba iga tiga tunjoke tomokarera omonene okumira na waitu watomentire chinguru
kubwatikana n'omubaro omoke bw'abakicikura bagendere kwerikia ime ya Nyamira nigo Engineer Adams Mocheno ekerekia asabira abakicikura baiya erikia ndonsi asebara Kenya asekorende barachiego chencha ikurago cha Nyamira
togere ntore emusimu oli bokubwata chikura twarore Nyamira anyare gutware tana utirense tigakira omonto atebye omwana oyo asare aimokie kura negento kende IBC terigote bibaibuli gosa abana aba nabo kubwatere kura alliance ondosiare gogocha wikachinga kichiri omanye gocha gochenchi gochaka igo alliance asore bwatere kurororo engakirige gocha goika nabo gocha gochenchi gochanga usego kogenda obisi ya IBC ebe Mombasa ebe Nairobi ebe Kitale ebe Eldoret watebye ayinu mwaki ukura Nyamira mbanyare go register na okobeke gituo kirikiao ogocha gwakeregura
Engineer Mocheno uyoboritie chikura mwaka 2022 nigo nainde nekiri Nyamira nga nache kobaroro aserombe yu aso mwaka 2027
ningo bolinde kero kya Nyamira nende bunango cha nabataibo tambe egasiane ninyamanyete ere ya representation na oversight ngenda ali senate mbabekere chibill jira abakonye chibill jira je ground chikonyo mwananchi kingo kora kerna asumire ngeri ya Nyamira yachire nyerigere libuya turwero ri yakabere ku oversight igo nindo bade kiroko nende buna momanyete ekiroke ninje koja kuira
Steven Nyarike Mode Ensoko TV Kebirigo county ya Nyamira
Nenjere ya moyo gusira aboroki gwa Bechi University n'ekisukuru cy'obubundi gwetera obuliki bw'ebitabo nabo igokorenda ekegusi nigo ekyombe kya Kistrike Poetry yakolire omuyega okera omwaka okubalentamo abaliki nabo igabagaka bekegusi elikoyigika kingenjo ekyogotaeba ekemira nabo igo egikoro ky'omugusi gwetera obuliki imyomochi obusongo Mulike ito Petro Machini na roboti orwa.
Aborokiwa Bechi University anamonere ya Kisii nigo baikiranira asomega igoro yo kurika cincherere gose poetry oyo manyakanitsebana Kistrike memo cyobosongo asomarigani bomorobero Dr. Christopher Okemwa airero abuyabo muyego yiga
ninche nkopanga omuyego yo kurwa Kistrike International Poetry Festival mono ebito korase Kistrike ne cincherere tokuchoka cincherere gose poetry gose amashairi ase Kiswahili nande tuabrukania mone kitamaduni keke na boigo nokosomania ekartu ikirega igase festival yiga nerigo kolenta abantu bonse kurense ngima baikaga iga banyara gusanga cincherere gose poetry gose amashairi ase Kiswahili basanga ibi nandi basanga n'ikitamaduni gose cultural exchange tokotebese Gesongo
egati yabageni kurwa cinse cy'isiko baikirana soma igoyiga nigo bagokire cincherere cyo namatera nagosanga ibirengero byabo
of people from all over the world and it's the occasion when we could exchange our lives and our cultures.
This festival in Kenya and we've already had one morning and I've learned a lot and I've experienced a lot already and I've really enjoyed the music and singing and the poetry and I think you don't learn things like this from reading or watching television. You just have to come to the spot. It was a long way to come, but it was very worthwhile.
I think the festival is important, but it's also important too for the young people, the number of young people that I've observed in Kisii and at the University of Kisii and who come to support this program. So it's important for them to understand the legacy of poetry as it relates to not just Kenya, but the world. You have coming through to this festival a number of poets from all over the world. So they get a chance to hear and to relate with other poets.
Boigo sensemo yaborukwa nigo bagokiro moyego yiga na koboria abarigani bagendere kuyo arigani botambe.
So that's basically why I came, to interact with them and get to know their perspectives, you know, from Finland and Czech Republic, not just in Kenya, and read my poems. We've been having poetry reading sessions since morning, and it's been an interesting day. It's been amazing, and you know, I thank every stakeholder that has made this day possible. Also encouraging more poets and, you know, like-minded individuals, other stakeholders in our institutions, our academic institutions, to continue embracing art.
Because at some point we also go to the village. We take these poets to the village and to try and understand what is the Kisii culture, what were we doing before, what is there, and also to demystify some of the issues that are happening, you know, myths that are there within the society, and also address some of the cultural, harmful cultural practices that are there. We also don't encourage some of that. So it's also in a way addressing some of the issues, social issues that are there in the society.
Bono nigo abantu anemono egesukyo mugusi bamete chinsu chisiko baganiri okwegerwa wekegusi nechingenjo chikegusi edio tibachieba
tigatubwaterane twakere konu ekegusi yeito kerase kerengongo kere binyero byonsi titoba buna abasibu bari torase emenwa emenga emenu y'abanyandwaro tigatunyore enchira yaito toirane kerero abana baboneke goriegeke abana ba minto bebie okonyoro omwana okoroka embori esese omwana kwanyoro okoroka esese nereke muni ine abantu ba minto bali muri isiko mwamenyire gitown denta abanaka bakwani kisokoro batokwanie tobasomie ekegusi yeito nga ekemuni nekiao nesese nengao.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Jempethuel Machin.
Abarundi ya boda nigo babuligwe kubwaterana amona abo bisabo bolendi elego keya obosalia okwana omosies wabanyanyimbo begetaseni gya Sengeramanga Charles Ouma oligiriye kubwaterana amo nabali abakogendya chipigipigi asichinsaye chonsi chirase sub county ya Mange county ya Nyamira iliyokwaneke buna ngotinya bale obolendi asokorwa oroboti gocha ase abarayi gosabateneneri asomusangirikano oyokolekana litukoli erero nigo abainyolia alibobwenete kubwatia anemono ekero bakuyarige ni gosoa asoborundi bwabo iliyokwaneke buna ngotolia bale obugima bwabo ekero bale ase chibara Moligeto Vincent Munda na Mange.
Don't drink and ride. Wear the right gear. Kuwa na helmet, kuwa na reflector. Don't operate in unknown territory, especially at night. Avoid overspeeding. Speed kills.
Oyo no mosies we station y'abanyanyimbo ya Sengeramanga kagukwana muto yo musangirikano bw'abarundi chipigipigi meye chiro ya Manga aso musangirikano oyo niga baboliri abana poda babe muto mono asoko bamanya abanyanyimbo abagambi na boyo abakonyi babo ekero bosalia bwararekanire.
Ukisikia mali iko shida si utasaidia dia sisi either upigie chief agents of security ama village elder ama nani. So among you here haiwezi kosa mtu mmoja kuwa karibu na mahali iko na she. Always be ready to share and to direct us there.
Naende niga basabire bara unenge boronge bintu bire bakwa babaye mu kichinsa cyabo tuko na lieta ralekane buna ebakobwate sio bosalia.
Hii vitu unaambe uchukue na ni kwa msitu kwa mtoni huko na ni usi. When things are concealed, they are hidden at ungodly hours when even the dogs are asleep. You are being called to ferry them. You have reasons to believe these things to be stolen goods. Sasa wewe ukiferi, you are accomplice. You are a principal offender. Mwenye amesaidia hiyo vitu kwe.
Nasengwana yaye, obabuliri bara ego kerosia kogesika, na boyo kogia kamaguta, ekebego kiabo elio kebwenere.
Nyinyi mnasema eti boda wamedharauliwa. No, wewe ndio umejidharau. Why one unaendesha na patapata. Mimi sahi kama ningekuja na pajama, mungekubali huyu ni OCS. Uvaa proper, hata uvae suit na uweke hiyo. Jameni, hiyo ni ofisi. Mnadharau ofisi yenu. Sasa wakati mnadharauliwa sababu wewe ndio umefuruta chini, una claim boda wanadharauliwa. Idara gani imeandika watu wengi kuliko boda? Boda wakisema ile manyumba wako nazo. So hiyo idara utasema inadharaulika. So chukua hiyo kitu serious kama nika. Am I speaking some sense? Yes. Sasa usidharau uende na slippers.
Buno bachanu buro bwa kabirgo cyase nyasaye. Nero basegetire baba bachanu.
Kwa clean boda wengine mahali natoka huko iko jua. Jacket moja imetumika karibu 1 whole month. Mwenye umebeba anaangalia nyuma hata inaleta ajali. Ya sababu iko uvundo. Hapa si iko wakati mlikuwa mnawaosha. Asugue menu sababu hii ni ofisi.
Asero mbeli kwa chibalingite kwera ni cheigoro cyase customer obatabirite libu yakogeche chinkoro cyabageni babo nigo kirabaletere mechando busyo abwasaba boliri baru chintigali.
Chenja murudishi. Iko ile machozi ikitoka inatoka ya damu. Atalia one day. Mwingine atalia ambaye wewe itakushika na hiyo laana. Mmenipata? Sasa utaendelea one day it will catch up with you. Mmenipata? Hiyo ndio laana yenu.
Sekta yo Burundi chipikipiki nigo yabwati sirense ya Kenya asogo kinia nabo yo gusegeta uchumi yense. Ngwetera ya serikali ikuriye kubwatirana na barubo asemeroberie menge nalyo batatiwe magega. Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.
Abarai nigo bakora etaro yabo oika asense moya Malava county ya Kakamega na gusanga nabagenwa bekelisi ya St Teresa's Izanjilo okwana nigo monogeri bwebunge nene Moses Wetangula okobokoli chikolyo botumiki b'emitandao gose cyber crime law asanekia nigo rirengete koronge ya chimbwa ase mitandao boigo nigo bagikiria bali bakuriamireria na kweneke nigo basiririe oboroso Mulikito Deborah Kirubo na mange
Magega yo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto kobeka SAE yo gweteri chikorio korendo botumeki bw'emitandao gose cyber crime law nigo bono igatia baraibe sokirie na komoko boko okwana omonogeri bwebunge enene Moses Wetangula oyorenge imeye county ya Kakamega nigo bono agikeirie bali bakwamerera lichikerio no nyanabo nigo aeneke buna ekerenga kyo gweteri chikerio no korongeya obotumiki bw'emitandao anene mono koegeria abana chimbwa chingiya.
Tunaona haya kuona wakati tunajaribu kuprotect family, wengine wanasema maneno haieleweki. Nasifu kanisa yetu ya Katoliki huko Embu imesema ya kwamba wanaunga mkono kikamilifu sheria iliyopitishwa ya cyber crime. Itakuwa aibu kubwa kuona ya kwamba katika mitandao ya kijamii watoto wanaonyesha watu wakiwa uchi, watu wakifanya mambo machafu, watu wakivuta bangi, watu wakifanya mambo mabaya.
Omorai bwabange asebunge nene Kimani Ichung'wa nigo akwanira lichikerio ribotumiki bw'emitandao asateba nigo rirengete kolenda chikanisa korwa se chidini chyo gosiria oburuso bw'echikanisa.
Ya miswada 8 ambazo rais alitia sahihi wiki iliyopita. Mswada mmoja ambao ni wa matumizi mabaya ya kompyuta na mitandao ya kijamii. Na kati ya malengo ya hiyo sheria ni kukinga kanisa dhidi ya dini potovu ama cultic behavior and religious extremism. Lengo la pili na muhimu sana, padri, lilikuwa ni lengo la kulinda familia zetu kutokana na mambo potovu ya ngono na maonyesho ya ngono kwa mitandao, pornography.
Asensemo ya Faruk Kibet nigo aboria bamenyi benseme yo ocha amo na gusira Moses Wetangula asekerenga yo korento borai Western magega yo morai bwense Ruto gukora entunda ya kabere.
Ombi yangu ni kwamba Mungu akipenda, mnaposhika mkono William Ruto aende tamu ya pili kama jirani, tunaomba na nyinyi mtafute majirani akiwemo Ichung'wa ili uongozi uje magharibi. Na uongozi haiwezi kuja magharibi, uongozi itatokea hapa Malava, ikuja hapa Western, ndio Wetangula na viongozi wa hapa wakalie kiti ya enzi na kalamu ya kuandikia watu wengine akiwemo Ichung'wa, mimi nikiwemo. Nyinyi mnataka uongozi ije magharibi ama isije?
Omugavana bwe county ya Kakamega Fernandes Baraza nigo bono abaganirie ama yaborokigwa ba grade 6 amona bali ba grade 9 abo bagochigwa ikaransa matemwa manene ayare bosio boigo nigaeneke buna abarayi bonsi nigo baramona barabwo na kuba moyo asichinga kiechi cha matemwa.
Najua watoto wetu wanaanza mtihani hapo kesho, watoto wa Kapsea ambao ni grade 6 na pia grade 9. Tunawatakia kila laheri kwa mtihani wenyu, na sisi kama viongozi tunawatia moyo. Tunajua ya kwamba Kakamega is always leading in national examinations. So mimi kama baba yenyu nawatakia kila laheri.
Deborah Kirubo, Ensoko TV.
Umurai bwense ya US Donald Trump nigo achakire tare yae yeiki asensemo ya Asia. Chingaki aikirana asensemo ya Malaysia ilikobeta ese ya mulembe gati ya Thailand na boigo Cambodia. Eyu erengete gukora chisegi chemebaga ekyo kyabeire asegeka. Ayanko bwatkana ne chisegi eki kyategete umutinyo gatano na kabere asabanto emerongo ene basiriti obugima na gwetania chiribuchi misato batigarete batabwati obumenyo. Kurendo koigwano ku nigo korarente omuchakano muyano mulembe gati y'echinsecho asabara ibalire yo kurusia ebirwaniriro asi emebaga.
This is so exciting because we did something that a lot of people said couldn't be done, and we saved maybe millions of lives on this one peace deal itself. And I'll tell you what makes me so happy is the two countries we're dealing with, and the third that helped so much. I appreciate so much. Maybe it couldn't have been done without you, but they really like each other. I'm not used to that when I do these deals. Usually there's a lot of hatred. They liked each other, so it made it a little bit easier. But millions of people are alive today because of this peace treaty. Today we honor the memory by bringing the blessing of peace to the nation she dearly loved. She loved this nation like few people love their nations. This is a momentous day for all of the people of Southeast Asia as we sign a historic agreement to end the military conflict between Cambodia and Thailand. And we're so honored to be involved in that. It's so important to me. Two great countries, but they were going at it. I want to congratulate the two courageous leaders, and that's what they are. They were courageous, who are taking this monumental step. Prime Minister Hun Manet and Prime Minister Newton. I also want to thank Prime Minister Anwar of Malaysia. I called him right at the beginning and I said, you know, you have two countries that are fighting right next to you. We need a third place. We need a sort of a neutral place, right? And he was there, and I said to him, you know, if we get this solved, I'm coming to your country. And I told the truth, didn't I? A lot of times they say that, and that's the last you ever see. But I felt I had an obligation to come because you were so great, and the two men alongside of you are so great. Historic figures now, really historic figures. So.
A commitment to support this peace deal. When I first received your call, and then urging me to do more, supporting our initiative, and you personally did call both prime ministers to urge for a speedy peace settlement. I would say a great thank you. And we, of course, admire your tenacity, your courage, because the world needs leaders who promote peace strongly. And to achieve that, you have to break some rules, as you did today, when president arrived, he asked me to join him in the car. I said, that's against the security and protocol rules. And he was delighted to break the rules, and I...
That's right.
Asensemo ye Chigosoli timu ya Shabana aseke minano ya kabere gikubwatania nigo yalikirie amachibu amabe litko lero nigo abamura ba matale baye kongonta timu ya Shabana megati ye Chigosoli kyagusi egoleyemo aseligena lisagairo abo asomwegeryo munene bwe timu ya Shabana Peter Okidi aichanira amachibu ayo nakoli eira yogochya konyora obobwe asegosoli yabo ikigati ekero bayaligania timu ya AFC Leopards imegetiye Chigosori kya Gusii Stadium mulikito Petro Bachini na mange
timu ya Shabana nigo yagendria kurika amachiwa mabe yemaiga yogo ikorwa ne timu ya Mathare United egore ya masiriga na desagero imegeti kya Gusii Stadium. Ukwana maiga yengo yeyo niko mwegerebwe timu ya Mathare United anyakabaga kokera obobuyo bwigana gotebani garage kubeko mokia kwenekia timu ya NH kunyakabaga ko bwabo tambe.
I'm happy because getting 3 points away from home, and I think it's a good feeling because last season we corrected 4 points from Shabana. This season we've already corrected 3 points. And I think also it gives us time to start planning because our next game we're facing Gor Mahia. So it gives us a little bit space for us to breathe. But of course, in the first half, we dominated because it was a game of 2 halves. The first half, we dominated the game. We got our solitary goal, which I think we were working yesterday with the strikers. I'm happy for them. Then the second half, of course, you expected Shabana will come direct. And that is exactly what they've done. You could see even the centre back have moved to the striking, to attack. And I think with the direct ball, I think we are in a position to handle the threat. And I think kudos to the character of the team because it's needed character.
Asensemo yae umwegerabwe timu ya Shabana Peter Okidi nigo aereida okogechwo kwaye asichigosori chiga anyakabaga ko bugwa asabono anyakabaga ko teba nigabe gitomokia gochkwene kinga egosori egatie timu ya AFC Leopards ne timu ya Shabana ikigadi chikuria Jumatano na chikonya kabaga konyo robobwi.
First of all, we thank God. I think we'll always keep on thanking God. It's a second game loss at home. It's very painful. Very painful, I think, to us because target zetu kidogo the season tulisema hataki kupoteza points hapa. As much as the league is still bado ni changa, but ni game ambayo tuko tunatarajia kupoteza. Considering the way to concede na the way to create chances, I think naweza sema kidogo pia sometimes football is not fair. We will win that game. That's the only results we have. Yeah, we will definitely win that game. Yeah.
Asibuigo anyakabaga gokwandra abagosori ababwati chingoma namba chikoba tayari eri wacha kosori aguchakiri chikiri ya Jumatano.
Yeah, I think that is a report from the medical department, but the likes of Michira, Dizo, some like Michira 3 games should be back. Dizo, I think our next game after FC Leopards should be back. Imbali anytime soon, maybe even the game of FC Leopard will be back. So for us, we just need to focus in the next game. We have dropped points. We need to go back and recollect ourselves very fast.
Na machibu atarikogokia egere timu ya Mathare United yanyakabage kujikura timu ya Shabana asigeti kya Gusii. Bono kurengana n'umugerwe timu ya Shabana Peter Okidi yanyakabaga kwera nigaraj kubeka omokia egeraj kubweke minano ke igadi tukuria Jumatano ekero araj kuyerigania timu ya AFC Leopards. Kotpotiria Enso Kochigosori kurasegeti kya Gusii Chepethuel Machin.
Mwanche murigeria korwa sorboti rwaye Pethuel Machini nigo togoikera omwaelio gukumulikira amaya chinse isato imegeta seni gensoko kurende genda kubwatia emerobeli ekobwatiria nenkerubo Frida na balitobwatira na soko ene kyabuna chibichanelio gira gwikira sole asenjira ya benenere toldi na baigo Barnabas Ondari twara obutuko borobia.